In phase 2 of what Union Health Minister Harshvardhan called the world's largest coronavirus vaccination drive, India administered 4.27 lakh doses on Monday as the second phase of vaccination began. On day 1 of the drive, that was rolled out across India, 25 lakh beneficiaries registered on the CoWIN app to get the vaccination, of whom 24.5 lakh beneficiaries are ordinary citizens. In the second phase, those above 60 years of age and those above 45 years of age with comorbidities can register to get vaccinated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar were among those who got vaccinated on Monday. The war within Congress is now out in open. One of the leaders of G23, the rebel leaders who had written a letter to Sonia Gandhi seeking change in the leadership, Anand Sharma, has questioned party's alliance decision in West Bengal, attacking the Congress for allying with the Indian Secular Front, that is ISF, in Bengal. Sharma said Congress alliance with parties like ISF and other such forces militates against the core ideology of the party and Gandhian Nehruvian secularism, which forms the soul of the party. These issues need to be approved by the CWC. Congress cannot be selective in fighting communalists but must do so in all its manifestation, irrespective of the religion and color. The presence and endorsement West Bengal PCC president is painful and shameful, he must clarify. Now, Anand Sharma may be addressing it to the party's Bengal unit chief Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, but it was clearly a dig at Rahul Gandhi. Reacting to Anand Sharma's tweets, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who is a Bengal PCC chief, urged a select group of distinguished congressmen to rise above always seeking personal comfort spots and stop wasting time singing praises of Prime Minister Modi. They owe a duty to strengthen the party and not undermine the tree that nurtured them, he added. Upset at being sidelined during the crucial state polls, the group of 23 senior party leaders have a plan to frequently raise questions over the party's poll strategy, like alliance with Badruddin Ajmal in Assam and inability of the Congress party to save the government in Puducherry. An expert committee set up by the Election Commission last year has recommended that hashtag trends on Twitter must be treated as political ads during the election process. The committee, in its interim report submitted to the poll panel in January, also called for the creation of a separate social media monitoring cell in the district election officer's office so that political ads on social media can be tracked during the elections. This is what Times of India has reported. In February, India had rebuked Twitter for not complying with its order to take down certain content and warned the social media giant that it needs to obey the local laws. The Supreme Court, commenting on marital rape, has said that when a man and a woman live as a husband and wife, that act of sexual intercourse between them could not be called rape. The court made the remark while hearing case of quashing of an FIR on rape because of false promise of marriage. Live Law quoted Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde as saying, and I quote, "When two people are living as husband and wife, however brutal the husband is, can the act of sexual intercourse between them be called rape?" The court stayed the arrest of the man who had been accused of rape by his former partner on the pretext of marriage. The comments raised eyebrows on social media, with many questioning the remark of Chief Justice of India. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.